Okay, today I have a haul video for you, and it's a Lego one. So, right now I can show you one um, build and then a bunch of characters from my other set. I didn't put the set itself together yet, but I did build all the characters, and then I made 3 custom little characters. We got a guy in a swimsuit with a pie and a leaf right there, and a ninja mask. Then we got a green, red, and black ninja guy here with a ring and a dual-edged sword, or double-sided sword, I should say, with Lloyd Garmadon's head. Then we have a lady in a pink dress, pink hair, and a pug. So that's cool. Those are the ones I made custom. And here's a little vacation home thing. Looks pretty cool there. The set I got is the Daily Bugle, the giant set, like 3,000 pieces. So we have Gwen Stacy, Black Cat with 2 whips, Venom. I'm sure there's more to the character that because he has an armor piece that needs more built on it. Miles Morales, Spider-Man. This guy with a backpack and a walkie-talkie. Spider-Ham. Firestar. Carnage. Again, he has more to him with the back assembly. Punisher. Very cool. Blade. Punisher and Blade are kind of surprising inclusions because they've only been in R-rated properties. And we have the Sandman. That is his leg piece there. Cool. Betty Brant. Doc Ock. I didn't build his tentacles yet. Some Average Joe. Civilian. Spider-Man Gwen Stacy. J. Jonah Jameson with some sort of rock. Peter Benjamin Parker. This guy. Robbie and his hot chocolate. Aunt May holding a rat. Why not? Daredevil. I'm not sure where this collar piece is supposed to go. But then we have the Green Goblin. Mysterio. No capes. And Spider-Man. This time he has arm printing. Very cool. Same on both sides. Very cool. Very cool. That is my haul, or at least the first half of it. I'll do another haul video after I have the set built. But for now, this is it. The characters, at least. There you go.